Good morning, this is Iolani Haleski. I'm the naturalist for St. Johns County Parks and Rec. This is day 2 at the tracking box. We're doing an experiment where we're learning about aging tracks, and I'll show you some of the developments that we have seen. So if you saw the other video, you may notice I did remove one of the set of tracks just so we can maintain enough space to do the experiment. So I have two popsicle sticks, one with 10:30 on yesterday and one today at 9:30, and I've put in a small, maybe an eighth of an inch, quarter of an inch, half an inch, 3/4 of an inch, and a full inch with a twist. And as you can see, there's some variations and differences. You may also notice that there was a slight bit of rain, which I didn't hear at all last night, but definitely a slight bit of rain. You can see some of the drips on the tops. Notice where the one that's the deepest, that has the twist in it, clearly has broken a little bit of the surface. You can see cracks in the surface from yesterday, but today did not show any cracks at all. And actually that twisting motion is clearly seen inside the track. I find that very interesting. Also, I'm looking at this one, which is the one that I did not prepare for wetness like the rest of them. That one over here was like sloppy wet, almost like soup. This one's a consistency of moldable clay in my hand almost. And this one was pure, just dry sand, almost like beach sand. You may notice the one from yesterday was just almost kind of like fell in on itself. The one from today actually held a little bit of shape, and I would say because probably the moisture in the air clearly is holding shape, but just underneath it, it's all broken up and dry. So I find that very interesting as well. Apparently I have my cat that's going to come over and decide to make some of his own tracks, which you may have that in your backyard too. Allow it to happen. I mean, there's some things that you can be learning from other animals. Now I know at like 9:30 something, I have to look at my watch, but a cat came by and collapsed one of my tracks. You can see right here where Motormouth is his name, came by and actually collapsed the track down in. But that's kind of cool though. So now I have a time frame. I can put that in my journal, and I can make sure that I can start watching those tracks as well. Pretty neat. All right, I hope you're having fun out there. Be safe.